Danube Properties, a leading private developer in the UAE, recently organized another accelerating edition of its highly anticipated annual event, Battle of the Brokers, on Sunday, marking yet another milestone in the company's commitment to promoting fitness, community engagement, and an active lifestyle in Dubai. Dubai, known for its iconic skyline and rapid growth, is also a city that heavily promotes fitness and an active lifestyle. The city's leadership, particularly guided by the visionary ideology of its Sheikh Highness Sheikh Hamdan bin Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum, Crown Prince of Dubai, has been instrumental in encouraging residents and business alike to embrace a culture of health and well being. In line with this vision, Danube Properties has taken a step further by organizing an event that not only serves as a platform for real estate professions to network and collaborate, but also places a strong emphasis on fitness and interactive activities.
देखिए बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है, बाहर बहुत गर्मी है और इन्होंने इंडोर इतना अरेंजमेंट किया है.
It is amazing to come here in the Nova Sports World because, as we know, right now the weather outside is a little bit hot because it's summer. So here, as in this amazing complex, we enjoy every sports, and at the same time, it's air conditioned. So we pretty much enjoy this day.
I really enjoy in Danube Sports World. I have seen mainly cricket yesterday, and today there are all type of games is including football is there, chess and carom is there. Indoor games are really well. Why? Because the outside is too hot, and inside it's in air conditions. People are really feeling very good and very nicely organized by Danube over here, and we really enjoy over here.
You know that the weather is very hot outside, but when you're anchoring in this Danube Sports World, the weather is so chilled here. So it feels so good when you're playing any game, and plus the vibe is so high that you feel really good. You feel very energetic.
با توجه به اینکه این روزا خیلی سخت میشه ماها دنبال تفریح و اینجور چیزا بریم، دانوب این شرایط رو برای ما فراهم کرده که یه سری بازی توی یه هوای خوب توی محیط سربسته انجام بدیم. خب خیلی عالیه. هم روز آخر هفته تو خوب میگذرونی، هم کلی بازی‌های متنوع توی هوای خنک داری انجام میدی.
The Battle of the Brokers is more than just a sports event. It's a strategic initiative by Danube Properties to strengthen its relationships with channel partners across the region. By bringing together over 2,000 real estate professionals from more than 150 companies, the event provided an unparalleled opportunity for industry peers to connect in dynamic and engaging environment. The sports-centric gathering also allowed Danube to showcase its dedication to promoting a healthy lifestyle, which aligns with the broader ethos of Dubai's drive towards fitness and well-being.
Even for me, I play paddle tennis regularly, I go to the gym regularly. And one of the reasons why we open this facility is because it's the best way to connect to the community in their shorts. You know, normally you meet in the office and it's very formal. But here, because of this, we can meet people from schools, from the government, brokers. And this is from the real estate industry. It is one of the biggest sporting events in the whole of Middle East, if not the world. We have almost 2,500 people over here. And there are 20 different activities people are competing with. So it's a lot of fun and people are really enjoying it.
Thank you very much.
I think यहाँ पे पूरी दुबई में ऐसी कोई स्पोर्टिंग फैसिलिटी है नहीं जहाँ पे 2000 प्लस लोग आ सके. लार्जेस्ट इन मिडिल ईस्ट है और आई डोंट थिंक ऐसा कोई इवेंट है जहाँ पे 2000 प्लस ब्रोकर्स आ रहे हैं और एक दूसरे से कम्पीट कर रहे हैं. और Danube हमेशा वी टेक केयर ऑफ आवर पार्टनर्स, वी टेक केयर ऑफ आवर चैनल पार्टनर्स. हम सिर्फ ये नहीं चाहते कि वो हमारे साथ बिजनेस करे, हम चाहते हैं कि वो हमारे साथ खेले कूदे, हमारे साथ एंजॉय करे, अपने आप को फिट रखे. और ये अच्छा प्रमोशन भी है. इसके बाद बहुत सारे लोग आके खेलेंगे भी Danube स्पोर्ट्स वर्ल्ड में आफ्टर द इवेंट. बट हमारा ऑब्जेक्टिव ये है कि हम अपने चैनल पार्टनर्स का अच्छी तरह से ख्याल रखें. तो आज आप देखेंगे कि वी हैव टेकन केयर ऑफ देम नॉट ओनली ऑन स्पोर्ट्स. खाने पीने का पीने का मतलब पानी वानी खाना एंड ऑल दैट इज सब कुछ बहुत अच्छा इंतज़ाम है. पीपल आर गोइंग टू एंजॉय. और आप देखेंगे कि थोड़ी देर में यहाँ पे जगह बिल्कुल नहीं होगी, हाउस पैक होगा.
The event was open to families and children, emphasizing Danube Properties' commitment to creating an inclusive and family-friendly atmosphere. The presence of family members added a layer of warmth and community to the event, making it not just a professional gathering but a day of joy, laughter, and shared experience. Mr. Rizwan Sajan, founder and chairman of Danube Properties, expressed his pride in the event's success, stating Danube Properties has always prided itself on being a company with people at its heart. We value not just our royal employees but also our industry partners, our broker fraternity, and their families who have immensely contributed to the growth of their new properties and the overall real estate sector of Dubai.
बस ये कहना चाहूँगा कि सब लोग फिट रहो, बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है। फिट रहोगे तो हेल्दी रहोगे तो हमेशा स्वस्थ रहोगे एंड ये बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है हर एक आदमी ने कि अपने आप में यू हैव टू स्पेंड दैट 1 आवर, 1 घंटा 1.5 घंटा आपको देना है अपने आप को, ताकि आप दिन हमेशा लाइफ लॉन्ग सेम हो। अगर आपने ये भूल गए तो आपकी लाइफ बहुत जल्दी खत्म हो जाएगी।
आपकी फेवरेट गेम कौन सी है?
मेरी फेवरेट गेम स्विमिंग करता हूँ मैं अर्ली मॉर्निंग। अगर आप गेम की बात करो तो बैडमिंटन मुझे पसंद है, बट नॉर्मली मेरी एक्टिविटी जो है एवरी डे 30 to 45 मिनट स्विमिंग करता हूँ और उसके बाद 30 मिनट योगा करता हूँ और 15 मिनट प्राणायाम करता हूँ। प्राणायाम मतलब ब्रीदिंग एक्सरसाइज।
यंग जो पीपल्स हैं उनके लिए आजकल गेमिंग में इंडोर गेमों पे नहीं है, सिर्फ मोबाइलों में लगे रहते हैं, फिजिकली गेम नहीं, उसके लिए आप क्या?
उसके लिए हम लोगों ने क्या किया, हमारी बिल्डिंग में अगर देखोगे ना तो 40+ एम्यूनिटी, स्पोर्टिंग एम्यूनिटीज डाला हुआ है। तो आप आज की तारीख में क्या हो रहा है, बिकॉज ट्रैफिक इतना बड़ा हुआ है, मम्मी डैडी के पास टाइम नहीं है कि उनको छोड़ के आएंगे बच्चे लोग को फॉर दी स्पोर्टिंग कोई स्पोर्ट्स फैसिलिटी में। तो अगर आप डैन्यूब में प्रॉपर्टी लेते हो तो आपको बिल्डिंग के अंदर ही 40+ एम्यूनिटीज मिलेंगी, जिससे आपको बाहर जाने की जरूरत नहीं है। आपको क्रिकेट, फुटबॉल, वॉलीबॉल, बास्केटबॉल, टेबल टेनिस, बैडमिंटन सब मिलेगा।
थैंक यू सर, थैंक यू।
He further added Danube Properties is a multi-billion-dollar company today, and the credit for this growth goes to dedicated workers and their families. Real estate brokers are part of the Danube family, hence rewarding them and their families is of paramount importance to us. Sasajan's words underscore the company's deep-rooted belief in the importance of community and the integral role that brokers and their families plays in the company's success. This philosophy is mirrored in every aspect of Battle of the Brokers, from the meticulously planned sports activities to the inclusive nature of the event. The event kicked off on Saturday, 24 August, with the registration for cricket matches beginning at 11 a.m., followed by the games starting at noon. The cricket matches set the tone for what would be an action-packed weekend. The next day, Sunday, August 25, saw a flurry of activities and registration starting early at 8 a.m., followed by a welcoming breakfast. At 8:30 a.m., participants then took to the fields and courts, engaging in the variety of sports, all of which commenced at 9:30 a.m.